Are you a freelancer, an agency owner, a photographer, or any sort of small business owner? And if you don't have a portfolio website, then there is a 99% chance that you won't get a job. Let me share my personal experience with you. So far I have done nearly 1200 plus freelance projects, and over 90% of clients of mine came through my portfolio website. Even I have done 100 plus jobs on freelancing marketplaces, and 80% of clients asked me this question first: do you have a portfolio website? So many of you guys always ask me, how did I land so many freelance jobs where others are suffering to get their first job? Then my number one suggestion would be, make your portfolio website before anything. Now in this tutorial I will show you how to create a portfolio website that will help you to attract more clients. Even though I have done the hardest part, I have designed the whole website for you. I will provide you the template for free. All you need to do is just import the template, replace the text with your own text, adding your own images, your own phone number, email address, so clients can contact you immediately. To create this website, we will be using a free CMS, a free theme, a free page builder, and all free resources. And you don't need to know a single line of coding. We will be creating everything just by drag and drop. So no matter if you haven't made a website before, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's now have a look at what we're going to make in this tutorial. First, I will show you how to create this beautiful banner section with background particles. Here you can put your own picture, your own name, and here we can see some animating text. You can put here all your strong skills, and here within this button you can link them to your contact form. Also, if you want, you can contact them to your Fiverr or Upwork account. Then on the right side we will have our social media links, and then next here we will have our beautiful about me section where you can put your another image and all about yourself. Also you can add your skills with this beautiful progress bar. And then underneath we will have our beautiful education and work section. And then let's scroll down. Here we will have your beautiful services section. Also when you hover over on it, you can put your services details here. Then underneath here you can put how many works you have done, how many customers do you have, all these facts. Then on the next section here you can put your all recent works or portfolios within this beautiful filterable gallery. Like here under web design you can put your all web design works. Underneath web development you can put other works. You can show your e-commerce works, all these. Alright. Then next we will have our beautiful packages section. So if you would like to do hourly projects, you can put your hourly rate here. Also your project rate or monthly rate with all details. Now on the next section here we will have the client's testimonial section. Here you can replace this dummy text with real client's testimonial, their feedback, their headshots, everything. And then underneath we will have our beautiful contact section. Here you can provide your contact number, your email address. Also there will be a beautiful contact form. I will show you how to create this contact form, so your clients can easily contact you by using this contact form. And then here is our global footer. Now if we click on this go to top button, that jumps to the top of our website. I will show you how to create this beautiful logo using an online free tool. Then how to create this beautiful navigation menu. Also if we click on any of these menus, like here I'm clicking on this about menu, it jumps to the about section. Then if we click on the contact button, it jumps to the contact form section. Can you believe we will be doing all of this without doing a single line of coding? I'm really excited. If you are excited like me, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. It would mean the world to me. Alright, we will be creating this beautiful portfolio website in easy 4 steps. First, I will show you how to get your own domain name and web hosting. Also, I will provide you a 50% discount link. Then we will install a free page builder. Then we will install a free theme. And finally, we will start customizing our amazing portfolio website. Also, I will be adding a timestamp in the description so you can always jump to the necessary part you need. Let's now start with the step number 1, which is to get your domain name and web hosting. So first of all, what is a domain name? Domain name is basically your website address. Like Facebook has facebook.com, Amazon has amazon.com, I have jimfahaddigital.com. Similarly, for your website, you need an address that will be your website name.com. And what is web hosting? Web hosting is the storage space for your website. all the images, texts you will have in your website, all will be stored on your own web hosting. As you are owning your own web hosting, so there wouldn't be any limitation. You can run ads, you can upload any text or images, you can upload any themes or plugins you want. You are in charge of your own website. Okay, now how to get your own domain name and web hosting. So first, just click on the very first link in the description below this video, or you can go to jimfahaddigital.com/hosting. And this will take you to a special discounted Bluehost page. So why Bluehost? In my opinion, Bluehost is the best web hosting provider. I'm a web developer. I tried so many other web hosting companies. I don't want to mention their name, but I personally ended up using Bluehost. Hundreds of my clients using Bluehost and they never complain about using it. If you see my Bluehost account, I have hosted tons of websites here and I never get a downtime. Their customer support is really cooperative in case you need any help, and their price is really affordable. That's why I always recommend Bluehost. So now click on Get Started. Here you can see their different plans. The main difference between them, with the basic plan, you can host only one domain. You can take their Plus or Choice Plus plan if you want to host unlimited domains. Also, you can take their Pro plan if you have millions of visitors on your website already. I recommend starting with the basic plan. Then in future, you can upgrade that anytime. Now let's select the basic plan. Now we will select our domain name. If you already have a domain name that you want to use, you can just go ahead here on the right. But for now, I'm gonna get a new one. Now here, let's try for something like apple.com and click next. It says the domain apple.com cannot be used on Bluehost. Please try a different domain name. It should be because we cannot take that because we all know that's Apple's official website. So we will be typing our own domain name here, and also if you click on the right side, you can see .site, .net, .info websites. I always recommend to take .com websites because it looks more professional and legit. So I'm gonna type here, let's say our elementor.com, as we are going to make our website through Elementor page builder, and now click on next. It says our elementor.com is available. That's awesome. And here we need to put our account information. I'm putting mine here really fast only to not make you bored. Okay, here you can see the business name field. If you don't have a business, just keep it blank or put your full name. But here's the most important thing, that's your email address. Make sure you put your correct email address because after completing purchase, a receipt will be sent to that email address. So make sure you put your best email address here. Alright, now scroll down. Here's the package information. And it's automatically set to 36 months. And this is gonna be your cheapest plan. So yes, you're paying for 36 months upfront, but it comes out to only around $3.95 a month. So this is 50% off. That's gonna be your biggest discount. Now what I recommend is to just do 12 months if you don't want to commit to the 36 months or 24 months. It's still 33% saving and it's only around $5.95 a month. And you also have your domain name for 12 months. So no more additional cost for your domain for these 12 months. And here you got package extras. First, here is the option for domain privacy. Having domain privacy is good, and I always recommend having domain privacy so no one gets to know who is the owner of the website. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm deselecting this one. Let's click on turn it off. Because I don't want to hide myself at this moment, I want to be transparent, so if anyone knows I own this website, I have no problem. You can keep this one checked if you want, not a big deal. I'm also deselecting all other options they are offering. We actually don't need that. They are just upselling their stuff. Alright, Now you can see the price is now only $71.40 for the full year, including the domain. That's awesome. And I'm legally obligated to tell you that this is my affiliate link. So I do get a little bit of commission off of this, but it does save you a ton of money. And it helps fund these free YouTube tutorials what I'm doing. So everybody wins. I really appreciate it. And here is the payment information. I'm putting my credit card number here, expiration date and CVV code. Then select this one here so that you are agreed to their terms and policy. Now click on submit. It says your purchase was a success. Also, you can see here is your receipt. They will also send it to your email. I'm also waiting to get that email. Meantime, we can create our Bluehost account. So let's click on this create account button here. Here's the domain name that's automatically selected. Now let's create our password. Create a really strong password combining capital letters, numbers, special characters. You know how to make a strong password. And then retype the password in the second field. Now check this once again that you have agreed with their terms and policy. Now click on create account. I already have received an email to confirm my purchase. So I'm opening my email. You will also get an email like this. Then click here, verify your email. It's very important. So it's now verified. Awesome. Now let's log in into our Bluehost account with the domain name and password we have just created. If you are logging in for the first time, you may see a pop-up like this. Like it says, let's create a website. Bluehost actually want to help you to make the website. Just click at the very bottom there. I'm not creating a website because I will be showing you everything step by step, and skip all of these pop-ups because we don't need any of that. Cool! We have successfully registered our domain name and web hosting. Congratulations! So far, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I will try my best to help you personally. So now we can move on to step number 2, which is to install WordPress. And for some reason, if you logged out, then log in again. Now from left menu bar, click on My Sites. Then you can click here Create Site or here Create a WordPress Site. I'm clicking here. Sometimes after clicking on My Sites, you may see this My Sites. From there, just click here on Add Site. Then you can see here two options. One is limitless customization and another one is fast, easy site building. As we will be creating our website using an amazing page builder, the Elementor page builder, that's why we will be selecting this option, the limitless customization. So just click here on Get Started. So let's now add a site name and site tagline. We can change that anytime. So I'm putting a site name Jim Fahad Production. And site tagline, it deserves to be seen. Now let's click on Advanced. Here you need to put your email address, your username and password for your WordPress. So I'm putting my email address here. WordPress admin username, I want to name it Jim Fahad. And here let's put a password. Do you want to see my password? I'm clicking here on show. So it's ABC123. I will of course show you how you can change it later. So for now, click on next, close this browser pop-up. Now it says where we want to install our WordPress. So make sure you keep this directory blank, and here is your domain name selected. And Bluehost here is suggesting some free plugins, but we don't need that. Let's deselect this all. Now click next. Awesome, it says WordPress installed successfully. Now you can copy these informations right here and save that somewhere on your computer where you can access it again later. And click here to show your password. Actually, I intentionally gave this an easy password that's ABC123. Never ever use this kind of easy password. I'm showing you shortly how you can change that password We can now sign into WordPress by clicking here, but this is not the usual way because all the time you cannot log in this way, I mean from this page, this button, right? So you should get used to signing into WordPress all the time is by going up to a new window and typing in your domain name /wp-admin. So I'm typing here my domain name ourelementor.com/wp-admin and click enter. So we can see our WordPress login page here. That means WordPress has installed successfully. Sometimes it takes 30 minutes to 24 hours to process this installation, and this process is called propagation. It basically has to let everyone know that, hey, this new domain name now exists and registered. But we can see our website instantly. They actually say it might take 30 minutes to 24 hours, but I've been using Bluehost for more than 10 years. I always get domain live immediately. Actually, that's another reason why I love Bluehost. So now you know that your domain name is working. So go ahead and just gonna type in my name, which was the user that I created, and I'm gonna type that easy password ABC123. You can click this eye icon to show it. Now let's click on login. So right now we are inside WordPress admin panel or WordPress dashboard. I will make you familiar with all of this. But before anything, I wanna do 3 basic things. First of all, I will clean up the WordPress dashboard, then I will change that easy password, and then I will delete all the unnecessary plugins. So to clean up our WordPress dashboard, from left click on dashboard, and then from top here click on screen options. And to make our WordPress dashboard clean, I'm just unchecking all of this from top. Let's uncheck them all. Also, let's close this notification. Right now our WordPress dashboard is looking much cleaner. Okay, let's now change the easy password that we have given ABC123. To change that easy password, hover over on users and then go to profile. From here just scroll down and here under account management, you see new password. From there click on set new password. First I'm clicking here on hide so you cannot see my password. Now here I'm putting my new password. It says medium but it's okay for me. So let's just scroll down and from here click on update profile. And now to make our WordPress dashboard more cleaner, I will be deleting all the unnecessary plugins, and to do that from here hover over on plugins, click on installed plugins. All these plugins came with WordPress default installation, but we don't need any of them. So we can select all the plugins together by clicking on this first checkbox. Now click here from bulk action. First let's click on deactivate, click on apply, and then again select all them together. This time from bulk action click on delete and then click on apply. Browser pop-up says I'm sure or not. Yes, I'm sure, so click on OK. Now all the unnecessary plugin has been deleted. Cool. Now we will be installing 4 plugins that is necessary for our website. So the 4 plugins are Elementor Page Builder, WP Forms, Essential Add-ons, and then Elementor Add-on Elements. So let's first install our Elementor Page Builder, and to get the Elementor Page Builder just go to jimfahaddigital.com. I will put this page's link in the description. From that page under important links, here you can see it says download Elementor free version. Just click there. Now you see Elementor starts downloading automatically. You will find this Elementor zip file inside of your download folder. Let's now go inside dashboard. And from plugins click on add new, then click here on upload plugin, and let's upload here the file you have just downloaded, I mean the Elementor's zip file. Then click here on install now. Now click on activate plugin. Cool, we have successfully installed Elementor Page Builder plugin. Let's now install our next 3 plugins. So let's now click on add new. We can install these 3 plugins from the WordPress plugin directory. So first from this right search field, I'm searching here for WP Forms. Here you go, click on install now. Now activate it. Our WP Forms has been activated. Let's now install our next plugin. So from here plugin, click on add new. This time here I'm searching for Essential Add-ons. This one Essential Add-on for Elementor. Click on install now. Now click on activate. Let's now do a quick setup. Actually I wanna keep everything default, so now here click on next. But here we need to do one important thing. Under the elements, make sure you have selected this WP forms. So I'm selecting WP forms. Remember, not the Wii forms, not the Ninja form. We're selecting the WP forms. Now let's scroll down, click on next, again click on next, and then finally click on next, then click on finish. Awesome. Let's now install our last plugin. So from here, plugin, go to add new. This time here I'm searching for Elementor add-on elements. Here you go, this one, Elementor add-on elements. Click on install now. Let's activate it, and here click on skip. Alright, it's activated. Now to check them all together, from plugins, click on install plugins. Make sure you must have installed these 4 plugins. Alright, the next thing I wanna do, I wanna change the theme of our website. So to do it, from left hover over on appearance, and from there just go to themes. You see here by default the 2021 theme is activated, but I wanna use another theme. So from here just click on this big add new theme button, and from the search bar here I'm searching for Astra. Here is the Astra theme. Now click here on install, then click on activate. Awesome, we have successfully installed the Astra theme. The next thing, we will be creating our page. So to create a new page, from left hover over on page, from there click on add new, as it would be our home page. So here I'm naming it home. Now from top right corner, click on publish one more time. So we have created our home page. Now from settings, we need to set this page as our home page. So from left hover over on settings, from there go to reading, and then you see your home page displays. Set it to a static page, and home page, let's select the home that we have just created. Then scroll down and click on save changes. Awesome. Now I just wanna do one last thing. From under settings, just go to permalinks, and make sure your permalink is set to the post name option. So your all page URLs would be more human readable, and it's good for search engine optimization. Alright, let's now scroll down and click on save changes. Alright, so we have done all the basic setup. Now we will start the most fun part of this tutorial. Now we will be creating our beautiful website using Elementor Page Builder just by drag and drop. So first, from left go to pages to all pages, and here is our home page. Let's now click here on edit, and then click here on this edit with Elementor button. So right now we are inside Elementor Page Builder. Here at the top we can see our global header that's coming from the theme. Also at the bottom we can see our global footer. And now in between our header and footer, we will be creating our beautiful website using Elementor Page Builder. So first, let me make you familiar with Elementor Page Builder Fundamental. Let's say if you wanna take a new section, for that you need to click on this plus icon. Then you can select any structure like single column, 2 column, 3 column, or any of these. I'm selecting a single column structure. Now here everything you can see inside this blue line, this is our section. If you want to increase the height of this section, you can do that from here. Let's set the height to minimum height, and from here you can increase or decrease the height. Then if you wanna set any background color, then you just need to go under style tab. Then from here background, let's select the background type, click on this classic icon. Then from this color picker you can select any background color from here. Then inside this section you can see a gray dashed line, this is our column. Now inside this column you can drag and drop any elements or widget. So to do that you can just click on this plus icon. Now from left you can drag any of these elements like heading, text editor, image, video, button, all of this. Also there are some elements like form, gallery, login, price list. These are not free. You will get these elements or widget if you purchase Elementor Pro. I will also put Elementor Pro purchase link in the description. But in this tutorial we will only be using the free widgets. Now let me give you an example. If you want to use the heading widget, just drag this heading widget inside this column here. Now if you want to change the text, just type inside here. Here I'm typing Jim Fahad. Then let's make the alignment to centered. Then if you want to do styling with it, just go under style tab. From here you can change the color to any other color like blue, or you can set another color from this color picker, and then you can work with its typography from here. You can make the font size bigger or smaller. You can set the font weight, you can make it bolder Also, you can change the transform. Let's set it to uppercase. Also, you can change the font family from here. You can see there are lots of Google fonts available here. For example, here I'm setting Poppins font. So here you see the font is instantly set to Poppins font. Now let me give you another example. Let's say I wanna add a button widget underneath this heading. So to do that, just click on this Rubik's Cube icon. And from here, this is the button widget. Just drag it under this heading widget here. Now let's first make its alignment to centered, and then you can change the button text from here. Instead of click here, I want it to say contact now. Then inside this link field, you can link this button to any of your other pages or any external website. Like here, I'm linking it to my main website, that's jimfahaddigital.com. Then you can do the style for this button. Then just go under style tab. From here, if you want to change the button's background color, you can change that from this place. Let's say I want to change this background color to blue like this. And now let me show you another interesting thing. Like if you want to create another button, you don't need to do that from scratch. You can just right click over it, and if you click on duplicate, you can see it's instantly duplicated. Then you can change its contents from here. You can change the URL, or if you want to style it differently, then you can just go under style tab. For example, if you want to set its color to another color, I'm making it a green color. Also, let's change its text color to black color like this. And if you change your mind, if you don't want this button anymore, just right click over it and delete this button. It's instantly gone. In this way, if you want, you can create everything from scratch. But in this tutorial, you don't have to do that, because I already have created the whole website for you. To get the ready template, you just need to go to jimfahaddigital.com. On that page under important links, here you can see download the images plus templates I use in this tutorial. From there, you will be basically downloading this folder. There inside, you will find a JSON file that says portfolio by Jim Fahad. Alright, now I'm showing you how to insert that inside of your website. So I'm going inside Elementor page builder. Let's first delete this section that we have just created, for example. Okay, this time click on this folder icon. Now from top right, click on this import template icon. Now click on select file, and here I'm inserting the portfolio by jimfahad.json file. Now click on open. So here we can see it says portfolio by Jim Fahad Digital. Now click on this green insert button, click on yes, and boom. Here we have got the whole ready website template. Now let me show you very quickly how to change all of this. Let's say if you want to replace this image with your own image, just click over this image and from left click on the choose image. Now from under upload files, click on select files. Now here I'm selecting my image, click on open, and then click on insert media. You see it's instantly inserted. Now here instead of X Fahad, I want to put here my real name, and you see it's very simple. If you want to change anything, just click over it and you can find the option on the left to change the text or images. Very simple. So here just instead of X, here I want to write Jim. So it's Jim Fahad. And then underneath we can see a beautiful typing text effect. Just click over it. So here on the left we can see the prefix text and it says experienced in, and that's basically this yellow text is coming from this place. If you want to change it, you can put any other text here. And then you see some typing animated text. It says plugin development, REST API, WordPress development. These texts are basically coming from this. So I have set here 3 WordPress development. If you want to change it to any other thing, like instead of WordPress development, if you wanna set here customization, you can do that. Also, if you want to add more, then just click on add item and you can add more string here. But I'm happy with these 3, so I'm deleting the extra one. Now on the right side we can see some vertical social media icons. So if we want to change the links of the social icons, just click over it. Then from left you see Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, Dribble. If you want to add more, just click here on add items, then click on this icon. So you can select any of the social media icons like Pinterest and click on insert. Then inside the link field you can put your Pinterest link, and if you want to delete the Pinterest, you can just click on this X. So in this way you can put your Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, any other social media links. Alright, now let's have a look with these buttons. So I want to change the text of this Xworks button. Now click on this blue pencil icon. Now from left, instead of Xworks, I want it to say recent works. And then inside this link field, I actually wanna link this recent works to some inner section of this page. So whenever I will click on the recent works button, it jumps to our recent works section. I will show you shortly how to do that. And then inside this hire me now button, just click on this blue icon. Similar like the recent work button, you can also link this button to any of the inner section of this page. Or if you want, you can put here your Fiverr link or your Upwork profile link. Alright, let's now go to the next section of our website. If you wanna change this image, you can just click over it and you can change the image from left. Similarly, you can change the title, paragraph and button links from left. Just click over it and you can find the changing option on the left side. Very easy. Then underneath we can see some beautiful progress bar. If you wanna change any of this text or percentage, you just need to click over it. Let's say instead of design, if you wanna put here HTML, then here title, you just need to write here HTML. And if you wanna put your HTML score 90 instead of 70, then here instead of 70, just write 90. You see, it's becoming 90% instead of 70. So in this way, you can customize all the progress bar the way you want. Let's now go to the next section. Here you can put your education, work or skills. Like you can put your university name, your past year, or you can put your past working place. And all you need to do, just click over it and you can change them from the left bar. Same for this progress bar, just click over it and you can change the percentage from here. You can change this text by clicking over it and you can change the text from here. Alright, let's now go to the next section. This is the services section and here we have got nice hover effects. So let me show you quickly how to change all of these. So here first on this card, you can see it says UI UX design and we can see a pen icon. Also we can see a beautiful background image. If we hover over on it, we can see some text. Okay, now to change everything, just click on this blue pencil icon or you can click over any of the space of this card. Then first go inside the content. Now see, here we have got two tabs, one is front and one is back. So if you want to change this pen icon with any other icon, just click over this icon and you can set any of these icons from here. But I'm happy with this pen icon. Then you can change this UI UX text from this place. And now have a look. If we hover over on it, we can see some text. If you want to change this text, then from left you just need to go under this back. Now scroll down, you can change this text from inside this text editor. And now if you wanna change the background image of this card, then from left scroll up a bit, go under this style tab. You see this background image is coming from this place. Let's replace this image. So click over it. Now go to upload files, click on select files. I'm selecting this image, click on open and then click on insert media. You see the background image is instantly changed. Now let's go to the next section. This is the facts section. So here you can put all of your achievements, like how many projects you have done, how many customers do you have, and changing this is very easy. Just click over it and you can change all these numbers from here. You can change the text from here inside this title field. Also you can change these icons just clicking over it. Now let's go to the next section. This is the recent work section, or this is the portfolio section. So here if we have a look, we have some filters here like designs. If you click on design, you can only see the works that's under the design tab. And then if you click on web development, you can only see the portfolio or works that's under web development. You can click on e-commerce, so you can only see your e-commerce works. And again, if we click on all, we can see all categories works. So if you want to create more categories by your own, then from left you just need to click on this filterable controls. You see there are three filters or categories. One is saying design, then web development and e-commerce. So these categories are basically coming from this place. If you want to edit them, you can edit the name from here. So let's say instead of design, I want it to say web design. So now we can see it says web design. And now if we click on web design, you see nothing is showing underneath. Why is that? Alright, for that you need to understand how this gallery is working. So if we now go inside these gallery items, here we can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 items, and that's why we can see here 6 portfolios. And if we hover over on it, we can see some text and each of them has its own image. So let's now have a look with the first one. So here it says design example. If we click over it, you see the control name is still design, but we have changed its filter name to web design. To make it work, just go under filterable controls, and this is the web design one. Just copy this list item name and again go under the gallery item, open the design example. This is the first one. So here instead of design, we need to put the right control name, that's web design. Now have a look. If we now click on web design, we can see the first item here. And then let's say if you want to change this title, you can change the title from here. So instead of design example, I'm writing here design A, and then you can change its paragraph text from here. So let's just scroll down. You can change the text from here. Also, if you want to change this image, then just scroll down, and from here you can select another image. Alright, now click on all. But now I want to make this design example the another one. I want to set its filterable control name. So open it. Now here instead of design, I want to set it to web design. So now if we click on web design, we can see the two items that we have set the control name to web design. Now let's click on all. So in this way, basically you can create more portfolios or more gallery items. Then if you don't want any of them, just click on this X to delete. Very simple. Alright, let's now go to the next section, and this is our beautiful package section. So here if you wanna work in hourly basis, then you can put your hourly charge here. If you wanna work on a project basis, then you can put the project rate here. Then if you're available for monthly basis work, you can put your requirements here. And to change any of these, just click over it and you can change them from left side. Also with these buttons, you can link them to your freelancing platform links, or you can link them to your contact section. That will be also the jump button. I will show you shortly how to do that. Let's now go to the next section. This will be the client's testimonial section. So you can put here your previous clients' reviews. To change this with your real clients' reviews, just click over it. Then you can change your client's image from here. And then if we click inside the testimonial content, you can change the real testimonial from this place. Also, you can put your client name from here, the client's company name from here. And then if we scroll down, you can see here is the rating number. So if you want to put yourself 4-star, then you can do that from this place. But who wants to put 4-star rating on their portfolio website? I think no one, so I'm setting it to 5. Alright, in this way you can change all of these. And let's say if you want to put more client reviews here, then you can just duplicate this. To duplicate it, just click over these 6 dots, right click here and click on duplicate. You see here 2 new client reviews has been added. You can just click over it and change their image, text, rating, their name, company name, all this. But for now I don't want it, so I'm just clicking on this X to delete it. Alright, now let's scroll down. Here is our contact section. On the left side, you can put your address, phone number, and to change it, just click over it, and from the left side, you can change the title from here. You can change your phone number from this place. Also, you can change your email address from left side here. And you already know about the social links, because on the top banner, we have got our vertically aligned social media icons. It's the same. To change it, just click on this blue pencil icon. Then you can change all of your social media links from this place. Alright, now on the right side here, I wanna insert a contact form. Otherwise, how anyone can contact with you? Okay, so to create a contact form, we need to go back to our WordPress dashboard. So to go back to our WordPress dashboard, you can just click on this hamburger and click here on exit to dashboard. But I don't wanna do that because I wanna use a new tab for opening the WordPress dashboard. So to do it, I'm just copying the URL from the top bar. So it's our website name.com/wp admin. Let's now open it from a new tab. I'm just pasting the URL and hit enter. I'm doing this because I don't wanna just go back and forth all the time from this place. That's why I always love to open the WordPress dashboard tab on a different tab. Alright, so to create our contact form, from left, just click on this WP forms. Hover over on it and click on add new. Now we can create a contact form very easily by clicking here on this simple contact form. click here on use template. So here we can see we have got the name field, email field and the message field. This is enough for me, but if you want to add more fields here, let's say if you want to collect the customer's phone number, then you can just click on this number. You see here is a number field instantly added, but I don't want that, so I'm clicking on this delete icon, click on OK. Now let's do a bit setup, so just go under the settings and then click on the notification. So from here you can change just one thing. You see it says send to email address. By default it's set to your WordPress email address, but if you want to change this email address to other email address, you can do that. That could be your Yahoo email address or Gmail. If you want, you can change the email address from this place, but I want to keep it the default email address that I'm using for this WordPress website. Alright, now click on this save button to save this contact form. Now click on this X to exit. Okay, so we have just created this simple contact form. Now let's go inside Elementor page builder, and this time before doing anything, click on this green update button to save all of our work that we have previously done, and then refresh the page. Alright, now let's go to the very bottom of our website. So this is our contact section. Now here we can see an empty contact form. Just click on this pencil icon. From left you can see an option says select form. Click here and select the simple contact form that we have just created. And boom, on the right side we can see our contact form field. Now here I only encounter one simple problem, that's we cannot see any placeholder nor labels with these input fields. So from left just turn on the labels. Now let's change the labels color. So just go under style tab. Now scroll down and open the labels tab. From here the text color, let's now set it to white color so we can see all the labels here. Alright, so we are almost done with our website. Now before showing you how to do the header and footer of our website, I want to show you how to create the jump buttons. Like I said, if we click on the recent works, that will jump us to the recent works section or the portfolio section of our website. So first let's go to the portfolio section or recent works section. So first of all, to grab this section, click on the 6 dots of this section, go under its advanced tab. Now here you can see CSS ID. Here I'm naming it portfolio-section. Now let's copy the CSS ID name. Let's now go to the top of our website. Click on the recent works button. Now here inside the link field, first I'm putting a hashtag and then I'm pasting the ID name. That's portfolio section. Now have a look. If we now click on the recent works button, that jumps us to the portfolio section. In this way, you can link any button to the other section of your website. So let's say now I wanna link some buttons to the contact section. So first let's go to the contact section. Click on the 6 dots of this contact section. Go under advanced tab. Here we already have a CSS ID, that name is contact section. Just copy the CSS ID, then just scroll up a bit. Now I want to link all these hire me buttons to the contact section. So just click on this hire me button. Now from inside these links, I already have linked them. But again I'm doing it, just hashtag and then paste the CSS ID, that contact section. So if we now click on this hire me button, you see it jumps us to the contact section. Cool. We are almost done with our website. Let's now have a look how to customize our footer, and also let's go to the top of our website. I will also show you how to customize our header. On the left we will put our own logo, and on the right side I will show you how to create a navigation menu and put that on the right side. So to customize our header and footer, we need to do that from theme customizer. So let's now go to our WordPress dashboard. And now from this left menus, just hover over on appearance and from there click on customize. So right now we are inside our theme customizer. So first here we can see our site title, and here you can see a blue pencil icon. Just click on this blue pencil icon. Now here from left we can upload our own logo, but before that we need to create our own logo. And to create our own logo, we will be using a free logo making tool. So let's go to logomaker.com. It's logo maker without the E. So first let's close this video pop-up. Alright, so from left let's first take a text, and here I want to write here JF. JF stands for Jim Fahad. Now you can resize it just by dragging its corner like this. And now I want to change its fonts from here. So instead of railway, let's set it to passion 1. and then I want to change its color. So from this color wheel, let's make its color to black. Now right after this JF text, I want to put a square shape. Not actually square, it would be a rectangle. So from here, click on this shape and I'm selecting this square shape. So let's now resize it just by dragging its corner like this, and I'm putting it just after the JF text here. Now I want to make its color to our branding YOLO color. So here I'm just putting the YOLO color code, that is FFC900. Now here I want to take another text, so just click on this text. Here I want to type digital. Now let's make its color also black color. Now let's resize it. And then I'm just putting this digital inside this square box here. And lastly, I wanna just reduce the width of this YOLO box. So I'm dragging its corner from left like this. Now let's grab this text and the background YOLO color together by dragging over it. And let's adjust its position like this. Now we can make this whole logo bigger just by dragging over it. And we can make it bigger just by dragging its corner. Now from right bottom corner, click on this crop icon. Now I want to crop it from top, from bottom, from left, and also from right, and then click on this check mark. So we're done. Now to save this logo, from top right corner, click on save logo. Now if you want a very high resolution image, then you need to pay them $19, but we don't need that. I'm happy with the low resolution file, so I'm clicking here, no thanks. Our logo has been downloaded here. You will find that on your download folder. Let's now go inside our theme customizer. Let's now click here on select logo, upload files, select files, and here is the logo we have just created. Click on open. Now click on select, click on skip cropping, and here you go. But I want to make the logo width a bit smaller, so from here I'm just setting it width to 120 pixel. And also I don't want this title, so from here I'm disabling the site title. Perfect. Now I want to create our navigation menu and put that on the right side of this header. So first from top, let's just go back one more time. Now let's scroll down and let's now go inside menus. From here I want to create a new menu, so click on create new menu. First let's name the menu. You can name it anything, but I'm naming it main menu. And then this one is very important. You need to select both the primary menu and also the off canvas menu. If you don't select the off canvas menu, this menu won't show on the mobile devices. So make sure you're selecting both. Now click on next. Now let's add the menu items. So click on add items. And here I will be using the custom links. So click on custom links. The first item I want to say it about. So I'm writing here about. And I want to link it to our about us section. So you may remember how we have created our jump buttons. If we now go inside our Elementor page builder, let's now go to our about us section. This is our about us section. Click on the 6 dots, go under its advanced tab. So here you can see the CSS ID name is about section. So I'm copying the CSS ID. Now go inside the theme customizer. So here the URL would be hash, then the CSS ID about section. Let's now click on add to menu. So let's create our next menu item. It would be services and the URL. Let's now go inside Elementor page builder. Let's now go to the services section. Let's scroll down. This is our services section. Click on the 6 dots. Go under its advanced tab, and here the CSS ID is services section. Copy it, go inside theme customizer. Now URL, put a hashtag and then paste the CSS ID, that's services section. Alright, now click on add to menu. Now in the same way I will create the pricing, reviews and contact menu items. And only not to make you bored, I'm fast forwarding this portion. Alright, we have created all the menu items, and I want to show you another thing. If you wanna put the contact before the reviews, you can just simply drag this above the reviews section here. But I don't want that, so I'm putting the contact after the reviews menu item. Alright, so when you are happy with it, just click on this publish button to save your work. But here I wanna do a bit of styling with these menu items, so let's click on this blue pencil icon. Now from left you see we are under the primary menu. Now go under design. So from here just scroll down. First, instead of blue, I wanna make the text color to black color, so I'm setting it black. And then the hover color we can set it from here, so click over it and I wanna set the hover color to a yellowish color. So from here, let's select the yellow color, but a bit dark yellow, you know. So let's now have a look. If we now hover over on it, you see the dark yellow color here. Alright, now from here, let's set the typography, the menu font. Click on this pencil icon. First, I want to set the font family to the Poppins font. So I'm selecting Poppins. Then font size, let's make it 14 pixel. And here text transform, I'm making it uppercase. Also, let's set the font weight to medium. That's 500. Perfect. Now I want to do the very last thing, that's our footer. So to customize our footer, just go back one more time. Now from here, just click on footer builder. So now let's scroll down so we can see our footer better from here. So first, let's change this copyright text. To do that, from here, click on copyright. Now if you want, you can change the whole text from here and you can put your own text. But I'm fine with the copyright and then the copyright symbol. And here we can see the current year dynamic text. That's why we can see here 2021. On 2022, it will be automatically updated as we are using here the dynamic current year. And right after the current year, here I can put some text by my own. So here I'm putting a pipe symbol and let's write here Jim Fahad Production. Alright, let's now go under the design tab. So first the text color, let's set it to white color. And now the footer background color. So click on this blue pencil icon, go under its design tab. And from here, select the background color. I'm making it black color. Also, if you want to add a border color at the top, you can do that from here. I'm putting here a dark ash color like this. Alright. So when you're happy with all of this, just click on this publish button to save your work. And then click on this X to exit. Alright, now the very last thing, I wanna check it how our website is looking on mobile device and tablet device. And you can check that from inside Elementor Page Builder. So first, from inside Elementor Page Builder, just refresh the page. So to have a proper look how it's looking on desktop device, we can just minimize the bar from left. So this is our website is looking right now. This is our beautiful banner. If we now scroll down, here we have got our beautiful about section. Nice progress bars. Let's now scroll down. Here is our beautiful education, work and skill section. And here is our services section is looking great. Let's now go here. All the facts is looking great. Now underneath here is the recent work tab is working perfectly. Then underneath, if we scroll down here, we can see our beautiful packages section. And then here we have got our client testimonial section. Now underneath here, we have got our beautiful contact form section. Also, if we click on go to top button, it goes to our banner section. Alright, let's now expand the Elementor Builder from left. Let's now have a look how it's looking on tablet and mobile device. So to check it from here, just click on the responsive mode icon. Now let's have a look how it's looking on tablet device. Click on this tablet device icon. So on tablet device, everything is looking great. The about section, go to the next section. Everything is looking great on the tablet device. I really like it, all the sections on tablet devices. Let's now go to the bottom. Everything is looking great. Alright. Let's now go to the mobile device. So click on this mobile device icon. Let's start from top. Here everything is looking great, but we need to remove this site title also from the mobile device. We can do that from theme customizer. Alright, I'm doing it very shortly. But other than that, everything is looking great on mobile device. All the sections, the education section, let's go to bottom. The services section, everything is looking great. Let's now scroll down the work section. This is the portfolios and here is the pricing, the client's testimonial section, and here is the contact form. Everything is looking great. Let's now go to top. And like I said, we need to fix this from the theme customizer. So again, just go back to our theme customizer. From left, hover over on appearance and go to customize. Now again, click on this blue pencil icon. So you see we have disabled the display site title from here, but if we go to the tablet view, we also need to disable it from tablet device. And also let's go to mobile device. We need to disable that from mobile device as well. Right now everything is looking great. Let's hide this bottom bar. Right now it's looking super clean. Also, if we click on this hamburger icon, we can see the beautiful drop down menu. Alright. And don't forget to click on this publish button to save our work. So we have created our beautiful portfolio website within 1 hour. Now please just go ahead and create your own portfolio website. I believe you can land your very first client very soon. If you like it, please give this video a big thumb up and don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Also press on that bell notification icon to get notified before anyone whenever I will upload a new video on this YouTube channel. And if you want me to help you on your WordPress project or Elementor project, then you can contact me through my website, that's jimfahaddigital.com. I will try my best to help you personally. Once again, thank you so much for watching this whole tutorial. I will see you on the next video. For now, bye bye.